Chiang Mai. And the Moto Preacher. Excuse me. The scooter preacher was cruising around town in search of another two-wheeled adventure. Since he was on a budget, like most people these days, thanks to stupid global politics and its consequences, fuck you very much, you greedy bastards and corrupt paid actors, he had to settle for a small scooter until he could find something proper and affordable. Due to high season, finding a proper motorcycle would turn out to be quite an ordeal. Let's start from the beginning, shall we? With his eyes still crusted with sleep, the Moto Preacher woke up in Thai cat heaven. Wondering where this cat heaven is located and who it belongs to. This is the Moto Preacher's Thai mama, also known as Mama Coco. Mama Coco. But you can call her Oi or Trisha. She's the one running this place called Trishada, the cookery home. Besides being an absolute charm, a kind soul, and a devoted cat mama, she's also an incredible chef who teaches with passion and heart how to cook traditional Thai cuisine that will take your taste buds to other dimensions. If you visit Chiang Mai, make sure to book a course with her. You really don't want to miss out on this experience. Links in the video description. Such a good friend. Mama Coco took the Moto Preacher sightseeing around her neighborhood while he played the passenger princess on the back for a change. She showed him one of her favorite holy places. Proceeded to visit a friend, where they spotted some absolutely groovy looking birds rocking 80s style mullets. Oh yeah, this bird is really kicking it. Never gets out of style. Damn, I miss the 80s. It's a really weird timeline we're living in right now. I wish I could go back in time to when people were still sane, had style, just like this bird, and some common sense. Can someone just please invent a time machine and get me out of this idiocracy? I'm rambling again. Anyway, Mama Coco dropped the Moto Preacher off in the city center. And that's when his main quest, or should I say odyssey, to find a motorcycle began. some fat Bavarian dude took the last unit.
Buffalo, seek, buffalo, what the hot to die, buffalo, the blood of mine. Got something good for you, make a good price.
How about no?
Oh no, can you do potato? I don't mind. A good motorbike for you.
Pretty much self-explanatory. Was the adventure over before it could even begin? Devastated, he sank into deep depression. Loser. You're a failure. You're a failure. Can you do anything right? You worthless piece of shit. Oh, no motorbike for you. What are you gonna do? Are you the footsie preacher now? Dork, kneel before my aerodynamic superiority. Eat my carbon-free farts, you dork! Doodly-doo! There was no hope, but sometimes the universe works in mysterious ways. Just when the Moto Preacher was about to give up, a shining hero appeared on the horizon. You know, heroes don't always wear capes or masks. Sometimes they simply go by the name Bernd. Bernd is a friend of Mama Coco. And Bernd had a spare bike to lend the Moto Preacher. Isn't that groovy?
Thank you, Bird.
Everybody needs a Bernd in life. It was already late afternoon. Equipped with a motorcycle and yet another helmet of questionable taste, the Moto Preacher was finally ready to hit the road. time, the Moto Preacher arrived in Chiang Rai and drifted through the night. Tomorrow, he would set out to explore the surrounding lands.